100 years, Meadow has provided the best dairy, juice, and ice cream in the islands. Products that Hawaii's people have grown up with and enjoyed for generations. From our Ohana to yours, Meadow is proud to be your Kama'aina dairy company.
Yeah, they're at her house now. I think it's like 1 something right now.
You know, when Hawaii's families drink milk, the first choice, of course, is Meadow Gold. And it's no wonder. Meadow Gold milk tastes great. A lot of work goes into ensuring its quality. Meadow Gold has attained level 3 safe quality food certification, the highest level from the Safe Quality Food Institute. Now, SQF certification is part of the Meadow Gold quality promise, a promise to produce high-quality products for Hawaii's families. So, what does Meadow Gold do to deliver on its quality promise? Let's take a closer look. Some Meadow Gold milk comes from local farms on the Big Island, but it takes more milk than they can produce to meet the needs of Hawaii. So, Meadow Gold also brings in milk from dairy farms in California. Milk comes from the mainland inside 6,200-gallon, super-insulated stainless steel tanks. When it arrives at Meadow Gold, it's a cool 33 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, the milk has already been tested and pasteurized once on the mainland, but it will undergo a second round of testing and pasteurization here in Hawaii. The second pasteurization is done to meet federal and state standards. Now, since Meadow Gold packages its milk here in the islands, the second pasteurization is mandatory. In pasteurization, milk is flash heated, then quickly cooled. Standards for pasteurized milk require that milk be heated to 161 degrees for 15 seconds. But Meadow Gold exceeds those standards, heating the milk to 178 degrees for 18 seconds before it's cooled. But pasteurization is only one of the steps taken to ensure a high level of quality. Meadow Gold has attained level 3 safe quality food certification. To be awarded this highest level, a company must demonstrate comprehensive food safety and quality management systems for every step in the food chain. What that means at Meadow Gold is that there's a whole lot of cleaning and sanitizing going on. When milk is processed, it moves through a computer-controlled network of silos, pipes, and tanks. All of this entire system must be cleaned in place, rinsed, washed, and sanitized. Meadow Gold cleans this system more often than government standards require. The pasteurization unit receives a thorough 3-hour cleaning every 24 hours. When milk comes off the processing line, it's moved to a cool room where the temperature is a constant 35 degrees. But it doesn't stay here long. It soon moves directly to refrigerated trucks. 50 trucks a day depart the loading dock, bound for stores on Oahu or transport to the neighbor islands. There are 79 processing facilities nationwide in the Meadow Gold family of companies, and the Meadow Gold facility in Honolulu is rated in the top 5% of the quality of its operations. It's all about making high quality milk from the company Hawaii families have trusted for quality products since 1897. That Meadow Gold quality promise. For 100 years, Meadow Gold has provided the best dairy, juice, and ice cream in the islands. Products that Hawaii's people have grown up with and enjoyed for generations. From our Ohana to yours, Meadow Gold is proud to be your Kama'aina dairy company.
I'm Carter, and I'd like to know more about milk.
up at the Patrick Farm. I'd like to show you around today. Show you the cows and the calves and show you how we take care of the cows and where milk comes from.
That'd be great. The country air is nice, but it does smell funny. The dairy cows are fed lots of nutritious food. These cows are black and white Holstein cows. It looks like they like to eat. I even saw baby cows that were only a week old. They drink milk just like me. Each giant hay bale weighs at one ton.
And the cows will eat about 18 to 20 pounds of hay per cow in the 2 cows.
That's a lot of hay. Now it's time to see the milking parlor. It's where cows are milked twice a day. The milk runs through the pipes into a great big refrigerator storage tank. Here it waits for the tanker truck. Now I'm headed to Meadow Dairy.
Welcome to Meadow Dairy's milk processing plant. What do you say we take the tour? I'll just show you kind of how we process milk.
That would be great. Let's go.
Let's do it.
I need to wear a special hat to keep the dairy clean. Look at giant milk tanks at Meadow Bowl. I can see why they're so big. Here comes the milk tank truck full of milk. Mr. Lanker told me that each truck carries 8,300 gallons of milk. Wow, that's a double tanker truck.
Carter, we're standing in the control room, and this is where we pretty much control everything that runs the plant. This is the lab where we test the milk. We run about 10 different tests on it to make sure that it's going to be fully successful.
This machine separates the cream from the milk. This machine eats the milk out. That's called pasteurization. That means that my milk stays fresh and is healthy for me. Look at all the pipes carrying milk. Now we'll get to see how the milk gets into the containers at the grocery store. The milk jugs slide down. They are filled to the top with fresh Meadow milk. Mr. Langford shows me how the milk caps move into the machine and are placed on the drugs. This milk is ready to head out to the stores. I even get to see the machine that packages the milk from my school. It looks like they're making orange drink. That's almost as good as milk. Do you know that Meadow even makes its own gallon containers? This is a blow mold machine. It makes gallons from plastic. Look at the containers moved throughout the dairy. These containers are ready to be filled. This machine sorts single-serve containers. Watch how it flips the container. Then it spins all up to put the label on. I love single serves, especially strawberry milk. Here are the gallons of milk going into crates. The crates move down the belt. This big warehouse was chilly, just like being inside a fridge. These milk crates are ready to go to their trucks and head to the store. Meadow Dairy is an amazing place. Over 170,000 gallons of milk a day are packaged. I guess a lot of people love milk like I do, especially Meadow milk. Now I know where my favorite drink comes from.